Hello, beautiful people. This is me. I'm your host, and today I'm gonna be talking about goat milk products. So, if you're curious, please carry on. Goat milk been around for centuries. However, because it's such a small part in the huge beauty industry, not too many people are talking about it. If you watch YouTube, I guarantee lately you've seen many commercials for Big Man, which right now it's available in Ulta. But besides Big Man, there are many other brands. I try Canus and also Caprina and a few others. However, the one which I want to talk about is Ziaja. It's a European brand which is available here, but it's more popular over there. By the way, this video is not sponsored. They don't even know I talk about their products. It's just I like the items, so you know what, why not? Let me talk about them, and in case if you're curious, just give them a try. The brand name, it's a name of the person who started the brand. That gentleman was a pharmacist, and he decided to make, let's say, beauty items which are widely available, have a good price, and you know what it's inside. I believe right now they're having either their 25th or 30th anniversary, and in general you do getting a good deal, good value for your money. And like in general, let's say if you do want to try like a goat milk product, if something, I would say you can start with this one, and then if you're gonna step it up, you know what, try the Big Man one or something else. As the name says, goat milk, obviously it's come from goats because it's a milk. It has lactic acid which has exfoliate properties, but it's really gentle. Goat milk by itself, it's rich in many different vitamins, but also if you have psoriasis or very eczema skin, goat milk, it's wonderful. Technically, if you try everything and you don't know what else you can use, you know what, just go for goat milk because it's great for like a psoriasis, eczema, dry, aging skin, even baby skin, dry, oily combination. You know what, even post procedure, you know what, give it a try. Now, goat milk has a specific smell, so that's one thing which you will have to get used to it. For me, it smells like fresh. Okay, if you have an air freshener, I think it's Snuggle, yeah, it's Snuggle or fresh laundry scent. That's exactly how it smells. However, let me dig into the products. The brand, they have their website, or should say you can buy their products here in the States. So those are the products which I'm going to talk about first, and then I'm gonna add few which you can find in Europe. I'm gonna start by talking about the products which you can easily find here in the States, or I should say you can order on their website. However, because it's European brand, in Europe, or I should say in other countries, their variety is bigger. So for right now, let me start with the products which you can purchase here. Let me just load it up. Besides the single items, they also have bundles, so if you wanna try it and save yourself some money, you know what, give it a try. But alright, what they got? One of the items is their goat milk serum energizing smoothing for face, neck and decollete. So it comes in a bottle like this, and here, come on. Oh yeah, this one is new, but it has that nice light consistency, and yeah, that specific fresh laundry scent. I do like putting this before a moisturizer, or I should say if I'm gonna apply like a sticky serum. This one I'm gonna put right after. Next one is their Milky face wash. If you're familiar with the CeraVe, consistency is almost the same. Okay, so, and yes, it comes in a pump. Then the next one is their face micro scrub, cleansing and smoothing micro scrub. Come on, here we go. it has a little bits. Yeah, hopefully, maybe you can see it, maybe not. But yeah, it's very gentle, and yes, it will remove the dead skin. We're gonna follow up with the Enzyme peeling for face and neck. That's the gentle exfoliating. So what it does is like a cream which you apply it, leave it for a few minutes, and then it's gonna, okay, the product is gonna eat some of your dead skin. And when you take it off, you're gonna have that fresh layer. Next one is their Duo Face Makeup Remover, which I didn't try it, and no, I don't have it here. We get the hand concentrate, which is, I believe, a thick hand cream. Now, I don't have that one, but I have their, not this one, where are you? I have their hand mask for hands and nails. It comes in a tube. The one which you can buy it here comes in a, okay, this one comes in a jar. The one which you can buy it here comes in a tube, but hopefully it's the same one. So it's like a thicker paste which you apply it, leave it on your hands for, let's say, 15 minutes, and then you can either take care of, okay, once it absorbs, you can massage the leftovers or just apply cotton gloves. Here we go. And then later on, okay, because it's a mask, obviously it's gonna help your hands be nice and smooth and, you know, all the good stuff. Besides face and body, they also have hair products. In here I see they have straightening hair mask with keratin, which I didn't try it. They also have hair conditioner and shampoo. I didn't try their hair product, so I cannot tell you anything about it. They have face mask, which they come in a sachet like this, and I do like it. Already have a few empties. What is it? It's like a white cream which you apply it, and your skin is gonna be nice and soft and supple and really hydrated. It's one of my favorite face masks, and because it comes in a small package, it's easy to travel with. Next is their hand cream, hand and nail cream, dry wrinkle prone skin. So it comes in a chic package. Let's see if I have anything left. Come on. All right, so it's very light and it absorbs really fast, and it will leave your skin hydrated. Another product for the face is their eye cream. This one, it's eye cream, nourishing dry wrinkle prone skin. If you have, okay, if you want a plain eye cream but your eyes are sensitive, you can easily give a try to this one. The ingredients are simple, but yes, the cream will hydrate and your skin's gonna look way smoother. Now the next product is Nourishing Day Cream. With the day cream, they have one for the day and one for the night. How you can okay, because they come in the same package, you can recognize them because there is one and two goats, and it has a nice creamy consistency. This one is closed, but let me open up for you. So here we go. It has that nice, let's call it a bouncy texture. Here we go. It has mineral oil, that's why it's going to be a little bit heavier, but because of it, it's going to give you a nice layer of a hydration. I do enjoy their creams because during the winter time, my skin is very dry, dehydrated, and I need some extra moisture, and that cream will provide that. Another product is their shower soap, which I didn't try it, so I cannot say nothing about it. They also have a body lotion, which I didn't try it, but possible, you know what, no, for sure it's gonna be on my list for the on my shopping list during Cyber Monday. Here we go. I didn't get a chance to try their body lotion, but I did try their body butters, and they're wonderful. I do enjoy the texture, the feeling, pretty much what it does to my skin. This is their body butter with omega-3, 6 and vitamin E. So, oh, by the way, those were two of my empties. That's the full one which I got, and comes sealed, and Here we go, that's the texture of it. It smells like the rest of their products. And yes, it's awesome. It's one of those products which I don't mind getting stuck up, either while I'm here or I'm flying to Europe. And now I have a few things which I brought from Europe but are not available here. So first one is their cleanser and toner for normal and dry skin. So I would say this is more like a tissue off cleanser. I only brought one because I'm not sure if I'm gonna like it. Those are my empties, but this is a moisturizer with SPF 20. It has similar consistency as their night cream. So yes, it's gonna give it that heavier feel of hydration, but it does feels nice. So it's similar to this one. This one is similar to the moisturizer in a pad, but has SPF. And then the second one is their moisturizer, but that's the lightened version. This one is with SPF 15. So let's say like this one was heavier, this is lighter, so it's more like a fluid. Here we go. So it's really light and spread fast. So if I can, let's say, compare them, this is nice for like a spring and summer, but if you want something heavier, then it's the tube. I do enjoy the tube, and I'm hoping they're gonna bring it here. No, they're gonna start carrying here in the States, because I do enjoy it. And then I have the peel mask. Yeah, it's a peel for the hands. This one has two components. So in one you have the peeling, or I should say the scrub for the hands, and then you have the mask, which you're gonna apply it, leave it for a little bit, and then wash it off. This was my short overview of the goat milk Ziaja products. It was fast, but hopefully it was a little bit helpful. I do enjoy their products because they're affordable and they do work. Possible, I should say, I'm looking forward for the brand to expand here in the States, but if you do see them around, just give them a try. But otherwise, I see you next time. Bye.